What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a shoulder press.
And this is the shoulder press. Going over the posture, the torso should be upright with the elbows flared laterally and both feet flat and firmly placed on the ground. In order to get the best balance possible while performing this exercise, the feet should be flat and shoulder length apart. To fully engage the delts, the shoulder blades should be pinched together and pressed up against the seat. And the primary target of this exercise, the front delt. Boy, look at this atrocious form. Having a press angle that's not done overhead can cause shoulder instability and injury. And here's a variation, the single arm shoulder press. This allows you to target one delt at a time while also focusing on the engagement of the core. As you may have noticed, I also let the bench down here. So this is going to allow you to focus more on your core engagement to keep your torso upright.
Alright, fam, and that's how we do a shoulder press. Until next time.